Hello everyone, here we go again, Miss Slavnika, Miss Matej, talking about a new transformation of quadratics. This time is y equals ax squared, that seems familiar, plus k. That's a new stuff. Let's see, as usual, some examples. Let's remove let's see our functions here. How much is my a? How much is my k in this case?
A is 1 and k is positive 2.
K is positive 2. Next one.
A is again 1.
Okay.
K is negative 3.
Absolutely right.
A is 2 and k is positive 5.
Okay.
And here A is negative 3.
Okay.
And k is negative 4.
Okay, so but now, right now, we are interested about the influence of these coefficients, right?
That's
so to make our life easier, let's have my a, in all our examples, let's have a equals 1. Let's see what happens.
So as I'm going to keep a coefficient 1, let's see what happened to my equation and my parabola if k value is positive. So let's increase k into, what is happening to my parabola, Miss Matei?
Your parabola is going up, up, up. It's the same parabola, but is translated up.
Good. And what happened if my k is negative?
The same parabola, no change. However, the parabola moves down.
That's correct. So what does it mean if my k value changes?
It seems like if k is positive, the parabola moves up. That's what I noticed. If my k is negative, the parabola moves down.
That's correct.
Did I notice this right?
Yes, you did.
Okay, if that's the case, let's look at one example. Here, I need your help to figure out my 5 points.
So 5 favorite points, negative 2 and 4.
Okay.
Negative 1 and 1. 0 and 0.
Yes.
1 and 1. And 2 and 4.
Good. So now let's see what happens. I notice that, what am I doing here? I am adding 2, correct? I am adding 2. So all my y coordinates will be moved. Guess how many units? Up?
2. So that will be 6.
Okay.
That will be 3.
Yes.
That will be 0 and 2. That will be 1 and 3.
Yes.
And the last one is 2 and 6.
Okay. Now let's take a look at the graph and see what happens. Again, I want to see my 5 points. Negative 2, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And let's take step by step and let's see how they are transferred to the new graph. So this 4, the y coordinate of 4 becomes 6. The 1 coordinate becomes 3. The 0 coordinate, y coordinate, becomes 2. The 1 becomes 3. And the 4 becomes 6. There you go. So all the y coordinates were moved, were shifted 2 units up.
That's correct.
Okay. One more example. We talk about moving up. It makes sense now to talk about
negative 2 and 4, negative 1 and 1, 0 and 0, 1 and 1, and 2 and 4.
Okay, and now what do I do here? I am, from all my y coordinates, I am subtracting 3. So what do I get here? Negative 2 and
1.
1. Yes, you're right. 4 minus 3.
Negative 1 and negative 2.
Okay.
0 and negative 3.
Yes.
1 and negative 2.
Yes.
And 2 and 1.
Okay, now as usual, let's take a look at the graph. Okay, so let's see again my 5 points, original ones. Boom, 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 boom. What happens with each of them? Each is shifted how many units?
By 3 units downward.
There you go. And here is my new graph. Good. So now let's sum up I notice there are two situations. If k is a positive number greater than 0, what happens with
parabola shifts up.
Okay, so I have, it's a vertical, right?
Yep,
it's a vertical shift. How many units? K units up. And case number 2, if k is a negative number, less than 0, I still have a vertical transformation, but it is a vertical shift.
K units down.
K units down. K units here. Good. So that's about it. Thank you.